cleanliness impacts the reliability of medical ball bearings. These aren't just technical details, they are the foundation of quality and reliability. Ensuring these components are free from contaminants is crucial for patient safety and device performance. Let's dive in. Clean medical ball bearings are essential for preventing infections and ensuring the smooth operation of medical devices. Medical ball bearings are often made from stainless steel 316 due to its corrosion resistance and compatibility with sterilization processes. The choice of material plays a significant role in maintaining cleanliness standards. After manufacturing, ball bearings undergo precision cleaning to remove oil and debris. Hartford Technologies employs a 5-stage ultrasonic cleaning system in a Class 10,000 cleanroom environment to achieve the highest level of cleanliness. Sterilization methods such as steam, dry heat, and irradiation are used to eliminate all microbial life. These techniques ensure the ball bearings are safe for medical applications. Regulatory bodies like the FDA set stringent guidelines for cleanliness. Regular testing, including particle counting and microscopic examination, confirms the cleanliness of ball bearings, ensuring they meet regulatory standards. Ensuring cleanliness in medical ball bearings is critical for patient safety. For more information, visit our website. Thanks for watching.